Hey YouTube, this is Synergy from Synergy Financial, and I just want to talk about what I've been up to lately. I've actually just started doing SEC filings, Security Exchange Commission, and it's not that fun, but it's extremely important because you'll see press releases, you'll see people on CNBC, you'll see Kramer, you'll see all these different shows that are talking about, like Fox Financial, all these shows. I don't follow those. I do my own research on everything. So that's what you should do also. Don't trust someone's opinion, especially mine. But anyways, I was actually learning this SEC filings, and I actually put it into use to see why a company went from $9 to $10.60 in one day. That gave me a good idea of how the company's actually worth. So I ended up short selling. I made 4 to 5 bad trades, and then I learned my lesson there on the level 2 quotes, and coming into the next day, I actually made like 6%, 7%. So it was good, and I made back about half of what I lost. So I'm currently trying to make back what I lost that first day, but it's actually working out pretty good. I was using my technical analysis. I used the fundamentals off the start, and from then on, it's kind of been just going good. I've been watching, like, during the day, I'll have level 2 up. I'll have my charts. I'll be looking for it to break the lines, and then I pretty much just watch the price action. That's how I trade. I don't know how y'all trade, but I pretty much trade based off what the price action is doing and if it's breaking these support or resistance lines. Otherwise, I don't mess with it. It's not worth time to trade a choppy stock. If it's like, it's just not me. If, like, here's a resistance line and it goes past that point, then I'll look at it and it shows up on my alerts. So that's good. And if y'all want to go watch how to basically be able to see these things happening, go watch my software video. I give the links below that video. It's JStock and Incredible Charts Pro. Both of them are free. Incredible Charts Pro has a 30-day free trial on it, so that's good. It's good enough for me, at least. So anyways, that's pretty much just what I've been up to. I mean, I've been playing the stock market now for the past 3 or 4 days on this one stock, and I'm still in the hole, but I'm not looking at it like that. I'm looking at it as an opportunity to learn, and I did learn, and it shows from the 6% gain I had yesterday. Today it was like 2%, so total it's been about 8%, but I'm looking pretty. It broke. Well, first off, let me just explain that it broke some key lines today during the day. So that's really good for me because when it breaks these support lines and it's watching on the price, or I'm watching the price action on the level 2 quotes, Google it. When I'm watching the level 2 and seeing the movement between sellers and buyers, that really gives you an idea of where the price is at. And where the price is going to go. So, I basically think about it as a bouncing ball. You throw a ball down, it goes up and then hits its top, comes back down, hits the bottom, comes back up, hits its top, comes back down, hits the bottom, and slowly it just starts killing these lines. And if you have a good spread, Google spread, if you have a good spread in between the buyers and the sellers, it does have a little bit less movement, but it also has bigger losses and bigger gains. So a little volatility is always good if you know what you're doing. Once again, this is for entertainment purposes only, and I'll give y'all another update here in like a week. So later, guys.